Water scenes are super fun to paint in gouache, but they can be a little challenging. But actually, the techniques are not too different from what you would do with watercolor. So if you're more familiar with watercolor than gouache, then this is going to seem kind of familiar to you. I started off with a super light wash of sky color, and of course the water is reflecting the sky. So I basically just used a slightly lighter version of that color in the water. And I wanted to go ahead and get the whole landscape done to remind myself that that is the focal point. And what I do in the water in the foreground is something that the viewer isn't even really going to focus on that much. So it does sort of take the pressure off. So this, by the way, is an excerpt of a longer tutorial about gouache that I sent out to my subscribers this week. These go out by email once a week. You get them in your inbox. And there's little videos and supply lists and just a lot more information in the full version. So if you're interested in that, just look at the links below and you can preview those and see if you're interested in subscribing. You do also get access to the whole archive. So you get like more than a year's worth of stuff that you can work through anytime you want. So anyway, with this scene, once I get the water in, I'm working on the reflections. And I like to do a little mixed media, so I add in just a bit of stuff with markers, colored pencils, little paint pens, just to get some of those details off in the distance. This is meant to be the kind of quick, fun thing that you would do in your sketchbook. So give this a try, and please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more of these. Thanks very much.